All right, guys. So now that we have explored the observing weather gizmo and we have filled out that student exploration sheet, we are going to wrap up science by doing one more activity. I'm going to be giving you a half sheet of paper, and this paper is going to have 3 questions on it. The first question on it is, what did we learn about today? Okay, so for this question, I want you to think about what we did in science and what was something new or something fun that you learned about while doing that gizmo. Okay, the second question that it's going to have is, how does this connect or relate to what we already know about? Okay, so think about what we've been learning in science. How is what we've been learning similar to what we did today? Okay, how do they relate or connect? The last question it's going to ask you is, how can this help us, or how can we use this information or skill in the future? So what you learned today, how could we use it maybe tomorrow or the next day? What could we do with that information that we learned about? Okay, so once you finish these 3 questions, you're just going to put them in the turn-in tray.